There is something incredibly satisfying about creating something with your own hands, especially when that something can also become a source of income. Building metal frame and wooden top dining tables is a fantastic way to combine craftsmanship with entrepreneurship. These tables are stylish and versatile, but they are also relatively straightforward to construct once you know the basics. First, let's talk about why metal frame and wooden top dining tables are in demand. These tables strike the perfect balance between modern industrial design and rustic charm, making them a popular choice for homes, restaurants, and even offices. The metal frame provides durability and a sleek contemporary look, while the wooden top adds warmth and character. This combination appeals to a wide range of customers, from urban millennials looking for chic furniture to businesses aiming for a trendy yet functional aesthetic. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to build these tables. The process can be broken down into three main components: sourcing materials, constructing the frame, and crafting the tabletop. Each step requires attention to detail, but with practice, you'll find a rhythm that works for you. Sourcing materials. The first step is gathering the materials you will need. For the metal frame, you will require steel or aluminum square tubing, which is readily available at most hardware stores or metal suppliers. The thickness of the tubing will depend on the size and weight of the table you are building, but 1.5-inch square tubing is a good starting point for most dining tables. You also need metal cutting tools, a welder, and a grinder to shape and smooth the metal. For the wooden top, you have a few options. You can use solid wood planks, reclaimed wood, or even plywood with a veneer finish, depending on the look you are going for. Solid wood is the most durable and aesthetically pleasing, but it's also the most expensive. Reclaimed wood offers unique weathered look and is often more affordable, though it may require additional preparation, such as sanding and sealing. Plywood is a budget-friendly option, but it may not have the same long-term durability or appeal as solid wood. In addition to the main materials, you will need screws, wood glue, sandpaper, and a finish of your choice, such as stain, polyurethane, or wax, to complete the table. Constructing the frame. Once you have your materials, it's time to build the metal frame. Start by measuring and cutting the metal tubing to the desired dimensions for the table legs and cross support. Precision is key here, as an even cut can lead to an unstable frame. Use a metal saw or angle grinder to make clean, accurate cuts. Next, assemble the frame using a welder. If you are new to welding, consider taking a short course or practicing on scrap metal before tackling your table. Bolt the legs to the cross support at right angles, ensuring the frame is square and level. Once the frame is welded, use a grinder to smooth any rough edges or weld marks. This not only improves the appearance but also prevents injuries from sharp edges. After the frame is complete, apply a protective finish to prevent rust. You can use spray paint, powder coating, or a clear sealant, depending on the look you want. Powder coating is the most durable option but requires specialized equipment, while spray paint is more accessible for beginners. Crafting the tabletop. With the frame ready, it's time to focus on the wooden top. If you are using solid wood or reclaimed wood, start by cutting the planks to the desired size. Arrange the planks side by side, ensuring they fit together snugly. Use wood glue and clamps to hold the planks in place while the glue dries. For added stability, you can also use dowels or biscuit to join the planks. Once the tabletop is assembled, sand the surface to remove any rough spots or imperfections. Start with coarse grain sandpaper and work your way up to final grade for a smooth finish. Pay special attention to the edges and corners, as these are often most visible part of the table. After sanding, apply your chosen finish. Stain can enhance the natural beauty of the wood and add them to the color, while polyurethane provides a durable protective coating. If you prefer a more natural look, you can use wax or oil to seal the wood. Apply the finish evenly, following the manufacturer's instructions, and allow it to dry completely before moving on to the next. Assembling the table. Now that both the frame and tabletop are complete, it's time to assemble the table. Place the tabletop upside down on a flat surface and position the frame on top. Use screws to attach the frame to the tabletop, making sure the screws are long enough to secure wood without poking through the surface. For added stability, you can also use metal brackets or L braces to reinforce the connection. Once the table is assembled, give it a final inspection. Check for any loose screws and even surfaces or imperfections that need to be addressed. If everything looks good, your table is ready to use or sell. Turning your crafts into a business. Begin by building a few tables to hone your skills and build a portfolio. Take high quality photos of each table to showcase your work. Dedicate a space in your garage, basement or backyard for your workshop. Invest in essential tools and equipment such as a welder, grinder and saw. Research the market to determine a fair price for your tables. Consider the cost of materials, your time and any overhead expenses. Don't undervalue your work. Quality craftsmanship is worth paying for. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest to showcase your tables and reach potential customers. You can also create a website or list your product on online marketplaces like Etsy or Craigslist. One of the biggest advantages of handmade furniture is the ability to offer custom designs. Work with customers to create tables that fit their specific needs and preferences. Deliver high quality product and excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews or refer friends and family. Tips for success. The durability and craftsmanship of your tables will set you apart from mass-produced furniture. Use high-quality materials and take time to perfect each detail. Keep track of your materials, expenses, and orders to ensure smooth operations. Use spreadsheets or project management tools to stay on top of your business. Join online forums, attend workshops, or connect with other furniture makers to share tips, learn new techniques, and stay inspired. As your business grows, consider learning new techniques or offering additional products such as benches, coffee tables, or shelves. Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve, don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation. Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.